In this video, I'll show you how to install Pygame on Python 3.14 and fix the installation error that many beginners run into. If pip install Pygame isn't working for you, don't worry, I'll show you the easiest solution. Let's get started. First, open Command Prompt. Before installing anything, let's quickly check which version of Python is installed on your computer. Run the following command, python --version. As you can see, I'm using Python 3.14.6. Next, let's make sure pip is available by running pip --version. Now we're ready to create our project. First, create a new folder by running makedir python_pygame. Then move into that folder, cd python_pygame. Using a separate project folder helps keep everything organized, especially if you're working on multiple Python projects. Now let's create a virtual environment. This is considered a best practice because it keeps your project's packages isolated from your global Python installation. Run python-m venv pygame_venv. Once the virtual environment has been created, activate it with pygame_venv/scripts/activate. If everything works correctly, you'll see the virtual environment name appear at the beginning of your command prompt.
Now let's install Pygame. Run pip install Pygame. At this point, you'll notice that the installation fails. This happens because at the time of recording this video, the official Pygame package doesn't yet support Python 3.14. So if you're seeing this error, don't worry, it's not something you did wrong. Fortunately, there's a simple solution. Instead of installing the original package, install the Community Edition called Pygame-CE, which already supports Python 3.14. Run pip install Pygame-CE. The installation should complete successfully. Now, let's verify that everything is working correctly. Instead of creating a Python file, we'll test it directly from the command line. Start the Python interpreter by typing Python. Then import Pygame using import Pygame. If no error appears, congratulations! Pygame has been installed successfully and is ready to use. You can exit the Python interpreter by typing exit. And that's it! You've successfully installed Pygame on Python 3.14 using Pygame-CE and learned how to work around the compatibility issue with the original Pygame package.
If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.